think at the moment one of my biggest concerns is around starting a family and being able to do that. Part of that feels like it needs to, I need to have a home of my own, and at the stage that I'm at the moment it's looking at whether that's going to be feasible from a financial point of view, and it's very, very difficult for a lot of people to get on the housing ladder at the moment. Also making sure that if I'm going to have a family, I've got the financial capacity to do that, and I think a lot of people my age are actually facing a time when they're looking at whether they can afford to have a family full stop. And it's things like making sure that you're working in an organisation that has a decent maternity policy, and that you're kind of able to manage month to month, because while you want to start a family, you want to bring a child into as much of a positive environment as possible, and being kind of financially stable feels like a part of that. One of the things that I've noticed, but it's probably been more from a work point of view, is the lack in funding in certain services like health and social care losing funding, and the effects that that's going to have on really vulnerable people, older people, individuals with disabilities, individuals who are confined to their home. And as part of the volunteer centre, one of the things that I've seen a lot of is volunteers being drafted in to take on roles that staff would have done previously. And while that's a really valuable resource, I think one of my concerns is that making sure that they're trained properly and they have adequate support to do those roles. And I suppose the pressure that's being faced by people in that is that they're going to be lacking in the care